Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below for easy access. Please note that this review reflects my personal experiences with these banks. On Rome Tips today, we're tackling the HSBC USA versus Fifth Third debate, which bank reigns supreme. This video breaks down the features of both HSBC USA and Fifth Third Bank, helping you decide which best suits your unique financial situation. HSBC USA is a branch of a global banking network, offering a comprehensive suite of financial services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. A key strength of HSBC USA lies in its international banking capabilities. This makes it an excellent option for individuals who frequently travel abroad or conduct international transactions. HSBC USA provides competitive interest rates on savings accounts, and their premier checking account offers attractive perks like global ATM access, dedicated relationship managers, and waived fees on specific transactions. However, HSBC USA's physical branch network is less extensive than Fifth Third's, concentrating primarily on the East and West coasts. Furthermore, certain accounts might carry higher fees unless specific requirements are met. Fifth Third Bank, conversely, has a strong regional presence, primarily across the Midwest and Southeast, with branches spanning numerous states. This wider physical presence makes Fifth Third a more convenient choice for customers who value in-person banking services. Fifth Third offers a diverse range of checking and savings accounts, including options with minimal fees. Their access to financial tools like budgeting and savings apps adds another layer of convenience for their customers. The 360 checking account is a particularly attractive choice for those seeking no-fee banking, though it might require maintaining a minimum balance to avoid monthly charges. Fifth Third also enjoys a reputation for strong customer service and offers competitive rates on personal, home, and auto loans. In summary, if you prioritize a global banking experience with robust international features, HSBC USA is likely the better choice. However, if local branch access, no-fee account options, and robust customer service are more important to you, Fifth Third Bank might be a better fit. Be sure to use the links in the description to explore both banks' offerings further and select the one that best aligns with your financial goals.